Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. Today I am going to share you one of my favorite and successful Bank Nifty swing strategy. This is a weekly strategy. You can call it as a positional strategy as well. This strategy is basically for people who don't want to take risk in the market or who are afraid of losing money, and also you can have consistent profits from the market every week. So this strategy I have back tested it for long time and I am already doing it from past 2 months. I will share you the back tested data which I have done so that you can blindly start doing this strategy without any fear, and you will get lot of confidence with this back testing. So coming to the strategy, keep an alarm at 9:20 a.m. on every Fridays. So this is a weekly strategy. Friday you have to take the position and square it off on the next expiry, weekly expiry. Add Bank Nifty index to your watch list. I will show you live how to do all these things. Sell both call and put far away OTM for the nearest weekly expiry such that the strike price you should be having a premium of around 200 rupees each. So once you sell this position, keep a stop loss buy order for double the premium value whatever you have got. And in case if any leg reaches the stop loss, then bring back the other leg to the entry value, stop loss to the entry value. Square off all the sell positions on the day of expiry, or whenever your premium reaches single digit 1 2 like that. So money management part, so keep 1 lakh rupees for to trade in one lot of bank nifty. You can increase your lot with the increase in your capital as well. So the advantages, when market is in sideways, we are going to benefit from theta decay. So if market is completely directional, then one of the leg reaches stop loss, then the other leg reaches to zero. So then we are in a low loss, no gain situation, because we will have both the premium of around 200 rupees. So we will be in loss of 200, we will be in profit of 200 rupees. So there will be no loss no gain situation. Consider if market is volatile, and that in this case we are going to earn from our both the legs, both the call and put, we are going to give profits to us. And there are very rare chances, guys, we are going to hit losses. It will be, even if we hit losses, it will be very minimal. Okay. uh so yeah, I forgot to mention this money management. Due to this new SEBI margin rules, we might get some limitations on placing the order, but I have found a way, and I have already explained in one of my YouTube channel, YouTube video, overcome new SEBI margin rules. Yes, this you can watch it. You will be able to hedge the position and get the this strategy working. Make you can utilize your margins very effectively. And also do subscribe to my channel. I have started my channel newly, and this will be a great motivation if you subscribe to upload more and more videos in my channel. So I'll show you how to select the premium. Initially add Nifty Bank, don't add future chart, just add the index value. So it's going at 35,228. You have to select the call price of around 200 premium value. So call far away OTM will be more than this 35,228. So blindly I will add 36,000 call, nearest expiry 10th March. So it's around 300 rupees, but still if you, it's not a good value 300, you should get around 200. So 36,500 C I will try. Yes, I have got a premium of around 200 rupees. 185 is a good value. And similarly, I will also add put, which will be definitely less than the spot value. So I'll try 34,000 PE. 34,000 PE is around 149. It's not so good also, but I'll check if I can get for 200 rupees. I'll add 34,200 PE. Yes, let me check. Yes, it's around 190. I can just close this. So these are the two strike prices which I have got with a premium of 200 rupees each. So we are going to sell both these positions. So that's how. So and immediately we will also place a stop loss order of the premium we what we have received. If consider if it is 185, we will place a stop loss buy order of 370 rupees, and for put we will place a stop loss buy order of 380 rupees. Okay, so this is how we are going to take the trade. And these stop loss buy orders every day morning when when the market opens, immediately we have to place these two buy orders. It will hardly takes 10 seconds to place the order. I will take you to the back tested data which I am doing it from past January. So on Jan 1st, that's on Friday, I have taken call at 197.97, and during entire week it has gone to 1. And I have taken a put at 221. Due to slippages I have got more than 200, but I usually take around 200 rupees. And and the DK was very much less in this buy, and end of week it reached 173. So total points gained is around 245. One lot is around 25 shares. So I was in a profit of 6,125 rupees. Similarly, on the next week, 8th Jan, I took the position that is on Friday, 178. I got the premium of 178 rupees for the call leg, but this call there was no much decay. Instead, there was a loss of minus 23 points. It has gone above, and but put saved us. It has gone to 1, and we were in a profit of 162. That's around 4,000. So even so, I'll show you a situation where we have hit stop loss. Yes, you can see this week, 22nd Jan, I got call premium at 174, but I was hit by a stop loss of double, more than double. There was some slippages also. So buy price was 370, but put saved us. It went till 1, and totally I was in loss of minus 51 points. So if you add all this, if you subtract this from this and this from this, you will get minus 51 points loss. And I was in a loss of minus 1275 for this week. Yes, this is guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. Even though if we are in a loss, one of the legs will save us from the other leg. Even if, there is very rare chances that both the legs will hit stop loss. That's why if one leg hits stop loss, the other leg we are bringing back it to the break even. So this is how you have to manage your positions. And on the 26th Feb, I have taken position at 191, call position, and put position as 201. I'll show you my this one. These are the positions which I have taken now for Bank Nifty. It's around 136. It's going on, so I have written 136 put, and call it is going around 190. I have written 190. So overall, by within one day, I was in a profit of 66 points. Friday I have taken position. Today is Sunday, and you can check this premium coming Thursday. So you will be like seeing whether how this strategy is working. You can also take for Nifty, which for which the premium should be around 50 rupees. Okay, you can try that. So if you want backtested data, please do contact me on this my mail ID, yourtradingfriend@gmail.com. I'll be sending you the backtested file. If you have any clarification also, I'll be helping you to clear all your doubts. And please do subscribe to my channel. This will be a great motivation. If you like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, it will be helpful. I'll be uploading more and more strategies with backtested data. Thank you.